Hello guys, this is Apia Minta of Apodels Multimedia. At this very time on this channel, we have the opportunity to join MTN as they celebrate their 25th anniversary. And within this 25th anniversary celebration, MTN Ghana embarked on a fair, yes, MTN Tech Fair that happened in Takwa, behind the Roman stores. The very first day of the Tech Fair was August 25th, that is very today. Today happens to be the very first day of the Tech Fair of MTN Ghana as part of the 25th celebration anniversary. Lots of companies joined this fair. The following companies were present on the very first day of the Tech Fair: Electricity Company of Ghana, Punch Safe, JF Autotech, DSTV, Orino, JCB, Golden City Technologies, Class Lane Computers, Toyota Ghana, University of Mines and Technology, Samsung, Jella Electrolux Services, Asmacan Ventures, Electromat, SIC Live, Enterprise Life, GTB Bank, Huawei, The Perfect Start Promo, Zion Musical Center, Zenith Bank, Ghana National Chamber of Commerce, and many more companies were present on this MTN 25th Anniversary Celebration Tech Fair that happened in Takwa.
Come and insert the card into the meter.
It is transferred with the card
To the meter.
Then it is the second one. That's called
That's great. The e-pass, even though it was it didn't use a same.
it has
Correct.
so it just a touch on the meter.
When
When
it's low.
then
Then,
now
now we have the smart.
The smart is cardless. And
And
that one is what uses the mobile app switches. With the app, what is being taken? It has a saving and
And
a money. So when you purchase on your phone or the office, what it means is that
Automatically, it has to be transferred
from our system
onto the meter.
If
If it doesn't come,
you
you are given a token at the point of sale. There's something called UIU. It's just like a key card. When it doesn't go onto the meter, you have to key the token
the series of
numbers on the UIU which is connected to the meter. And that way it is transferred from the UIU to the meter. This is how far this thing has come with the credit meter to prepaid meters to smart meters.
So you can come far and now
You can be at home, you pay your bill,
either you have a credit meter or a smart
smart prepaid meter.
For
For
those
those
of us
using meters, I know Papa, we are using credit meters. Where you receive your bill every month.
you
You don't have to come to our office. All that you have to do is to download the app.
You go to Play Store, you type ECD Power, you download, you register, then you register your mobile number. As and when you want to
pay your bill, you pay your bill. Thank you.
So you mean you can pay your ECD bills through Momo.
Definitely. We have no more.
You can use Momo to pay your ECD bill.
Bill.
But
But what you have to do is first,
when you download the app, you
you
need
need to register your Momo number on your phone.
As set
For us to know that this is the Momo number you are using.
Mama Pacho Peppa, SMPS, the Mediana, Peppa say SMPS, the Kanichi. We are here. Enti, their own partner, a year to say, baby, I see here doing the same. Ubeti, Eddie, mobile money, FCA, ECD bill, Wabra, ECD app. Na, Messiah, here. I was a good kind of downloading app. No, we can download the ECD app. Now we are what they will MTN. What do MTN number now? Mobile money was that number. What do you say?
But I saw register. Who user center? Register phone number. It's a click amount space to register. Register. SMS message code. Now, what's the thing code? It's just want to confirm that the phone, the number belongs to you. It's just security message. To confirm that it says and store the mobile number on it.
Just one time. Oh, you see, technology is beautiful. Digitization is sweet. And when Mama started, you know, not much. Asa kwa bia minim no meta tikase ye de ma na ya performance se meta no crowd ya ho no tumi bobo crowd so bottom e boda ho pro bi ho se bibi bo na tell say ECG omo akomo ani ye ebusia, this is the beauty of technology your mother and your mama proper it is technology to say can everyone know so good life and how to do as I was to say there what download the ECG app no that's how mobile money ECG office it's what
providing electricity.
Your notepad for your pencil the assembly of it will be said, yeah, in your information in there, especially the power up. You will have to outside. Over register. Install the power up. When you come and help you to do that, there's a souvenir for you. I hope you come to our time. I'll be able to explain
everything to you,
and you go back happy with the souvenir. Thank you. The name behind electricity.
The name behind electricity. Thank you very much.
Apodel Multimedia represent them. That representation, Apodel Multimedia was happy to present our very first day of this MTN Ghana Tech Fair that happened in Ottawa. We had these slides for you to watch. Relax and enjoy.
Before then, I am right in front of SIC Light. Is it Take Light or SIC Light? SIC Light. SIC Light. Name is saying SIC Insurance. SIC Insurance. Say there. SIC Light. SIC. Maybe can every and then we hear
MTN baby man SIC.
That's SIC. Question outside. Yeah, MTN. And social media station. Maybe I want to say that we look at where you go. Say back. Good.
Now we are in the era of digitization. So, SIC Light, are you also moving with us? What are the digital products you have?
We are moving very well. SIC is a very good company, like I said. We are the one of all the national are company will come of everybody being worker or an individual person. The company what do you see of that? As a very sounds said, then I am for that. Improving my import some man, 7 in yes, that's I say company is anxious. 7 wow, that in the next 5 years, the next 8 years, the next 4 years and 2 years, but some every good. That's I say, house out that and I said so I will be I said that's what I'm going to do a stand and go out go out but as I was share between your boy and you process it wow for now and now everything the schools to have say because I think that might be the job of education that's yes, I policy you are doing education landmarks. Very good for yourself. Your family managing your plan policy, your ultimate plan, and that's how family city in our churches but I'm going to find your policy of what was that. So that they are where's yourself? That church was your investment, and as long as I be I want that to that
because almost companies are in Makasa and then no Obia MTM and the say insurance and I will pay as I feel like absolutely peace of mind. Absolute peace of mind. Just say as we are
thank you very much. Technology works for I saw a car video. Computer game. Computer game. Okay. Using computer and then I get computer. I bet with the game.
Sir, and see, we are and then what do you do?
We are an IT company into metal fabrication, your cloud services, and CAD services. We control it's a true 111. So your CAD services are your designs. Everyone say we are over so we see dying. Before we see dying, and so we know we are over draw plan, over your design. I'm on the way and with me is you dying. We are take your passay,
your top designs and market customers. you said 3D modeling, third dimension modeling. Everyone said, oh, yeah, part, oh, why do you move design that about people here? The person has a better videos to amount. Obavia Teka, it's me help wow, and to people who say, design any design, if I'm all your brown, to me, finish product and sound designing. Assign your interior designs, sell all the time. They look very nice. Restaurant, restaurant, hospital, open design, interior design, PR, tech, your asset, I'm metal fabrication. Also, we door. Metal doors in their tech, competent and hard-working staff are affordable and the cheapest.
We don't only pay $1. Most of the time, we are not for a group. Because we mostly sell good, but as you can see our banner here, we sell Panasonic. You can see Philips items here. You can see Broom, LG, Panasonic. So we have it's a multi-brand electronic shop. Yes, so when it comes to living room appliances, kitchen appliances, even office.
So, like I mentioned, I see a lot of products.
Yes, we're actually running a promo here. We started on Monday, so it's the payday promo. It's a promo we do almost every month. So this is the time, and we started on Monday. We are running through to next week. So there's discounts on a lot of them. We have freebies, t-shirts and kettles and battery flasks, all for free. So you can see the TVs here. We are the smart world, so we do everything here. We sell it, we try to.
I see laptops, I see external drives and wireless keyboards. What do you have for us?
Golden City Technologies. Are there laptops and any accessories? Your laptop brand be a PBA about printed so Apple say commercial ala wakasa be issue fee and our offices so you be biamo and external drives, keyboard, mouse and hard drive keys and I good about so laptop na you in Kaudi, Sabana was come soon, then you be Koma. You want to share? I at the Bema. You want to share with the city? I at the Bema. So we come soon. If you are going to school, you are the but a laptop. How do you see the answer? And yes, you are a Facebook plan. Oh, good city, you better be in your match. Senisca, Monsieur practice at Senisca, Abba, you know better the baby and later to go to city. Yes,
you. That's a I would say because of program, we have more special prices different from the normal price every day.
You know, I know the truth. You have to tell them.
And you was more. Golden City Technology. Say, laptops, printers, external hard drive, keyboard, mouse, you have to who say, at the amount. a man who polish your fine. Victorious Secret Class Cosmetics. Always victorious. Thank you so much. Right behind me is Benefits. Is it Teddy Cups? B Cups. Heavy Cups. When I saw cups, I thought
So Teddy Cups, the cups there actually means baby lions. Okay. It's, to us, we say we are training the children to become leaders. Like we say lions are leaders in the jungle. We are training the children to become leaders. So before they grow up to become the leaders that we want them to be, they are still under training as baby lions to say their cups. That's what we say Teddy Cups.
so Teddy Cups. What do you do? What are some of the products or the services you have?
Okay. So Pedicaps is a digital library service provider. We provide a full library experience on smart devices like phones, tablets, and laptops. We have parents who currently subscribe to our program. They sign up their children. So as you see, our program is mainly for children between the ages of 6 and 14. That's from class 1 to JHS 2. We know that reading is fundamental in education. We cannot do without reading in education. But how we solve our schools, how do we do our children reading? Our library is still very strong in our communities nowadays. But see, we want to have a library in the palms of our children. We have 24/7 access to thousands of books and resources in their homes. That is why we are here today. Mainly, we don't just run it as a normal library, but we give the books according to the children's reading level.
So if we didn't remember, now you're not just say if we Zion musical instruments. It's the Zion musical center. On metre, we say band, the kind of band, the drums, the speakers, the idea. On metre,
I am Zion Music Center. So Zion Music Center, let's just say things about music. Music, Richard Yabu speakers, low speakers, raw mixers, amplifiers, tambourines, live racks, anything music, studio form, sorry, anyone who can win now, acoustic guitar, to win engineers of to release stress. Anything music,
anything music. That was Zion Music Center. If you can't find over Zion Music Center, that office and our shop, any partner,
but your station, Sam, Ena market circle so Piasman Rural Bank line so back so
all in one desktop. Yeah, me who premium. I do mean this one. I try to say me. Na any money be over. I see someone.
Classroom computers, as the name suggests. Computing, computers, desktops, laptops, accessories, toners, printers. If you want quality, then you need to talk to us. When it comes to quality, it's Classroom. Say, I integrate desktop into one screen. Power consumption for one desktop or consuming. This.
Have you ever seen this man moving?
Ebia we obi a wonam ehwiem a wontimi wo ba e be hyew ana se wo busa wo tat na computer ho eche ye obi be friend eye strain ana so obi a wo tat na computer ho che wo tat na ebia machines wo bebre a wo ba e be hyew na asaso no ye wo lens bebre ye wo photochromic lens ye wo cylindrical lens ye wo bifocal lens ye wo plano ye wo lens bebre I say yeah, from the data, but the lens no aspect. What are you anti-drip? Now you show power. You try that shimamo. At the same time, no, you are in drum piano. As I say, you are the kawani ma on tono. I never could say yeah, you eye operation because in dry ever count. Remember your dear old this no alcohol. Now it's I'm not fair. Yes, you have seen. It is a wood same me or Monday City FM and I Space FM. Miss now, and the other Pia who come here, every out to me like a kayade. You reading glasses wall. We buy a movie, no to be any with you. And the other Pia who hold piano. Say I got to lose to them because I said, many fine. If come away your dusty city, it's at least every month. Ebe na abo bi ato enu so ane bi egu enu so anase bi ato enu so pay a ya wo hye wani a ebe yini ni efi ho ama kama ebi a wani aya kokko ebi a wani akeka wani atutu
Ebusia, Omode Dadwana womb, they have inserted the nail. Omode Dadwana water in him. Emma, after a woman with you. You heard your counterfeit no? Ebeye.
The policy will work for you.